See, now we are going to discuss a fixed amounts partners are going to withdraw in a regular interval. Then what will be the interest on drawings? When the fixed amounts are withdraw in the beginning of each quarter. Beginning of each quarter. Before that, we have already discussed our financial year is starting from 1st April to 31st March. How many quarters are there in an year? How many quarters are there? There are 4 quarters are there. Fix it that one first. And in a quarter, how many months are there?
3 months.
3 months. Here I have already mentioned that group also. See, 4 quarters are there in an year. Per quarter, how many months are there? 3 months are there. Like starting from April, May, June. First quarter. Second quarter, July, August, September. Second quarter. Third one, October, November, December. Third quarter. Last quarter is January, February, March. Fourth quarter. First you have to fix these months there in your mind. Then only we can solve the questions very easily. What is the formula for calculating average period? Time left after first drawings plus time left after last drawings by 2. Is it okay? How many quarters are there in a year? 4 quarters. Per quarter how many months are there? 3 months. Ready? Here. Fixed amounts are withdrawn in the beginning of every quarter. In the beginning of each quarter. Every quarter they are going to withdraw fixed amount. Then what will be the interest on drawing? See, before that you have to think time left after first drawings. When was the first drawings? Starting only. Beginning of month also, beginning of quarter also. First withdrawal was on the starting date only. That is 1st April. How many months are there after? 12 months. Full accounting period is there. Plus time left after last drawings. In the beginning of every quarter, each quarter, when was the last withdrawal? Then in the beginning of every month means 1st January. Here, this is the last quarter. In the beginning, that means first or last, January 1st, because in the beginning of every month, last withdrawal is on 1st January. Is it clear? 1st January to 31st March, how many months are there? 3 months. Time left after last drawings is 3. So formula 12 plus 3, 15 by 2. 15 by 2 is equal to 7.5 is average period. This is a reason for this 7.5 is average period in the beginning of each quarter. Logic is clear? Time left after first drawings plus time left after last drawings by 2 in the beginning of each quarter. First withdrawal was on 1st April. Last withdrawal was on January 1st. Ready? Case number 2. In the middle of each quarter. In the middle of each quarter, here you have to think first withdrawal was
May 15th.
Middle of each quarter. First quarter is starting from April to June. Middle means
May month.
May is a middle month. Middle. Then
May 15th.
15th May. Ready? 15th May is the first withdrawal. Time left after first withdrawal. After 15th May, how many months are there? 1.5 month is already reduced. April is gone. May 15 also gone. So remaining is how many months are there? 10.5 months are there from May 15 to
March 31st.
March 31st. How many months? What is the time period? 10.5 plus
Last one.
in the middle of each quarter. When was the last withdrawal? Last quarter middle. That means which month? Feb month. In the month of February, date is 15. So February 15 to 31st March. How many months are there? Half from February and 1 full month from March. Total 1.5, 1.5 months. So 10.5 plus 1.5 is equal to 12 by 2. Average period is 6 months. Logic is clear. This is a reason for calculating, or this is a reason how we are getting the average period of 7.5 and 6. Last case, that is case number 3. At the end of quarter end, first quarter end is
June 31st.
June 30th. 30 or 31st confusions are there anyway at the end point. June 30 is there. So June end of every quarter. So first withdrawal is end of first quarter. Each quarter only, no. At the end of each quarter, first withdrawal was June 30th June. From 30th June means June is also already over. So then next starting July to 31st March, how many months are there? 9 months are there, because 3 months are already gone. At the end of each quarter means first quarter is already over, remaining 3 quarter. Remaining 3 quarter means 3 months per quarter, like that 3 quarters. Total 9 months. Logic is clear. Plus time left after last drawings. When was the last drawings at the end of each quarter? Where is ending point? Here is, this is the end of, clear? End of every quarter means last quarter is 3 months, January, February, March. At the end means the last withdrawal was on 31st March was the last withdrawal. Is there any time period is after that?
Yes.
After that there is no year is going to over, financial year is going to over in that particular point. So how many months are there? 0 months are there by 2. So here 9 plus 0, 9 only, by 2. And what is average period? 4.5 is the average period at the end of each quarter. Clear? Whenever you are going to calculate interest on drawings, you have to keep this formula. First, what is the formula? Time left after first withdrawal plus time left after last step divided by 2. Quarter also fix it. Clear? No need to by heart any average period. You have to understand it properly. What is the logic behind at the end of each quarter, middle of each quarter, and in the beginning of each quarter. These are the 3 points along with the time period. Prepare a short notes today itself. Clear? It will help you whenever you are going to give the exams. Very easily you can understand the time period.